First, we have an update on the buying pressure of Bitcoin. You can see these buying orders. Look at how dense that is. That is buying pressure below 20K in Bitcoin. The last time it was that dense was March of 2020. Absolutely huge rally ensued after that because there is just so much support at levels like this. And so I'm not saying the Bitcoin bottom is in. The macroeconomic situation is still very dangerous. Interest rates are still high. This is what a real Bitcoin bottom looks like, an emotional roller coaster. Look at what happened the last time. Just people just got totally, utterly played. Look at this massive crash that shook everyone out right before the life-changing rally. It is not easy to hold on for that life-changing rally when it finally comes around. And so they're absolutely not going to make it easy. So expect one last melt your face off dip. Now here's an update on what's going to actually happen when the wall of institutional money finally comes in. And so you have in these charts, you have insurance companies in black, pension funds in pink, mass affluent people in green. If they just put 6.5% of their portfolio into Bitcoin, it's going to be 500 to 600K. 2.5%, it's going to be 300K. 1%, it's going to be 100K. That is how the wall of money is going to move these assets once it comes in. It's just going to be absolutely extraordinary for a lot of these assets. Now, here's an update on your daily news in some of these revolutionary applications. Tiffany NF Tips, creating luxury pendants of CryptoPunks, sell out in 20 minutes. So obviously, another revenue stream for huge companies, adopt NFTs and get paid. And so this is emboldening companies. Very good for the Yuga Labs ecosystem, which controls the Bored Ape Yacht Club Metaverse, CryptoPunks, the Ape token. Very good for those assets and very good for businesses adopting this revolutionary technology. Let's talk about the Graph protocol. The Loopring org subgraph is live on the Graph's decentralized network. So Loopring is just one of many blockchain assets adopting the Graph, using the Graph to index their data. The Graph is truly an exciting and important piece of blockchain infrastructure, and it's being widely adopted. Loopring is one layer 2 solution running on Ethereum that is using it, among many. Now here's an update on another piece of crucial blockchain infrastructure. So what's happening is Ankr moves to decentralized node infrastructure with staking. So they're trying to go decentralized. They're going to take the circulating supply of Ankr tokens off the market because people are going to now stake their Ankr tokens. All the node operators, of which there are many. So here's just an update on the stats behind the Ankr protocol. We have over 350 blockchain nodes running around the world, helping to power 30 plus different blockchains. And so those nodes are now going to be hoarding their Ankr tokens to get the staking rewards in theory. And so we can talk more about Ankr, but it is truly a revolutionary piece of blockchain infrastructure. Now here's an update on Vechain, just one of many around the world. Shanghai Tianlian has become one of the most important members of the In Plus Hub community. Together with Shanghai Pudong Bank and Peru China, they will jointly promote the digital and low carbon transformation of the industry. These are some Asian companies adopting Vechain. Obviously, mass adoption is on the Vechain network. We've talked about a few of these big partnerships. And so they're all using V-Carbon, which is trying to greenify and digitize a lot of these supply chains. This is just two companies that are adopting it, an absolutely revolutionary asset. Now, this article actually blew my mind this morning. Huge. Ethereum layer 2s could take revenue from the blockchain as they become more competitive. So what is going to happen when Ethereum moves to proof of stake and all these different blockchains, these layer 2s running on top of it, become more and more powerful? Well, it's a really interesting point. We know Polygon has massive adoption. Just look at the news that came out recently. Matic, Polygon, Coca-Cola drops a special digital collectible on Polygon. No blockchain has bigger partnerships than Polygon. Could Polygon become bigger than Ethereum? The future of layer 2s could be a zero-sum game because the layer 2 that houses the majority of dApps could power the entirety of the Ethereum ecosystem, the report said. There is about 70 billion in total value locked on Ethereum compared to 5 on layer 2s, but that could shift. People like Ethereum for the security. They like the layer 2s for the scalability. But really exciting to see what happens to these very successful layer 2s on top of Ethereum. Would they want to port over onto a different blockchain? Would they want to create their own? How is the competition going to shake out? We will stay on top of this market.